There were three ways. There were three ways India showed Pakistan its place. The first was, of course, Operation Sindoor, a big salute to our armed forces, who carried out a precision attack on their terror camps. These terror camps are not something that we've designated. These terror camps are designated by the United Nations. And when our armed forces have said that over 100 terrorists have died, you can imagine these 100 terrorists were capable of carrying out 100 terror activities, not just in India, across the world. So the world should be thanking the armed forces of India for doing what it did. Not just the terror camps, it also went and jammed the entire Chinese radar system that Pakistan was depending upon. We also exposed the other high-scale weaponry that we are hearing about, the propaganda that we are hearing about. The second big victory for us was post-operation, where we saw Pahalgam terrorists actually asking what your religion was and killing them. They did this in the hope that they would divide this nation. India doesn't stand divided. India stands united. And it's our diversity that we celebrate and diversity that brings this unity. The third biggest victory for India was that we all stood united despite our political party differences. So they tried everything, they failed. And they will continue to fail if they continue to spread hate.